You speak.
Means in which way we water in our harvest.
We use water in our harvest by draining and by the tube bed.
Many times water which collected in dam and it's cutted itself, and after we use in that in which way?
We use in agriculture and doing other works.
So in summers we get a hot water from the earth in starting, and in winter we get a cold water from starting. Why?
Because in summer there's a lot of hot, and in winters it's so hot because the sun get falls a very heatness.
In many water parks nowadays, we all go on water parks and blue worlds and many swimming pools. So this water is in a useful way or not?
This water is not useful
Why?
because in this water people split and they do split in this water and they bath in this water, and this water is not usable.
But many times we also go in the rivers and we also do this there.
Yeah, this thing is happening here.
In past time we do business. In which way we most do business?
By the rivers.
And canals
Yeah.
and cheese, many things.
Yeah.
So this process is good or not?
This process is good.
Many big cities are also situated near the seas, rivers, and many things.
Yeah.
So why?
I don't know about this question.
You don't know. Can I tell?
Yeah.
In past time, we
Hello.
so the process where the water come inside the earth, means the soil. You won't know anything about it. This thing, the water comes from the soil, means earth.
Raining.
No, what water we use? We find water from earth.
I don't know about it.
Okay, you tell me the uses of water.
We use water many ways, like bathing, cleaning, and etc.
Which way we use water much?
We use water much, like agriculture and
the offering. So why you throw it in that time she scolded me that you are little and you don't understand it. So you shut your mouth.
But I saw a lot of people who is died and he went in near Ganga and he burned them and his flow his ashes in the Ganga. Not only bodies, and they throw a lot of things, also good things and also bad things.
You saw that in many times in rivers and also canal. If any animal and means any animal is dead, then they throw it in that, and that's why the water is also destroyed, means spoiled.
I also think that it is not good. Means it's not good that we throw means that things in Ganga and means holy things.
And also sometimes we face a lot of bad smell because of it.
Yes. Everyone know that Holi is also means Ganga is also holy river and also it throw bad things. Okay. You saw a lot of cases that many cities is situated near the canals and rivers, and there's a lot of factories and they throw a lot of chemicals and other harmful things in the rivers. It is right or wrong?
It is wrong because if they throw it in the river, the importance of any other person's life.
Because they think that if we have money then we can purchase anything. Also,
And why? Because of money we can't purchase everything.
I also know but they don't think.
Yeah.
Yes. So I think they are not good and they are responsible for that things. Any question?
Anyone ask you any other question? Give a mic.
If we use hand pumps instead of summer can make the possible that our water level means our water not waste too much.
Yeah, it is possible because of summer. Means if anyone open it for only for bathing, then you saw that at first time the warm water is come.
Yeah.
Because of the in the pipe the water is warm, so that's why it is come at that time we also wasted that water. And when we taking bath and after it many people forget to switch off the summer.
Yeah.
And at that time the water is also waste. But when we fill the water by the hand pump, then we fill 1 and 2 bucket. And after that anyone said fill any other bucket, then he said that you fill by yourself. Because he said that I fill it for my bathing. And at that time he know the value of water because he do hard work for it.
Yeah. Where the water waste too much in summer or in a RO?
Means in summer also.
I think in RO.
Why? it is
Because
waste?
RO to filtration of 1 liter of water, then it wastes approx 3 liter of water.
So I don't know about it.
Yeah.
If you told me about it something else, then it is good for me. So please tell me about it.
Yeah. That's it. Means RO. I think RO waste a lot of water because if a family needs approx 5 liter of water daily, 5 liter of water daily to drinking and to wash the vegetables and many other things. Then if they need a day of 5 liter water, then it is in a month of 150 liter. Then RO waste approx 450 liters of water. So I think water. What is the most important thing in our life? Without water, no one can live.
Yeah.
While it is animal, plants, and human also.
Yeah. So according to you, which plant absorbs